people, gamers and YouTubers, my name is Yuka Blaze Gaming and I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Sorry that I haven't made any game videos because I was so busy that I haven't think of what should I make or do to make a vid, because my mobile is now in the recording, I guess. Anyway, so I'm gonna unbox a League of Legends keychain sword, and it's named Caveir's Metal, I guess, and it costs 199. So let's get it out, shall we? Come on. Oh my gosh, it's a bit heavy for me. Now it's a bit. Oh my gosh, there's like something that you can put for your keys, because it's called keychain. And we have a little diamond right here, right there, and some designs from the fight, I guess. So yeah, this costs 199, but I just saw the other ones. It cost 299. Couldn't afford that, by the way. They added also. There's something weird about this. If they're actually the same when you flip it like this. See, there's like same scars, I guess. So if you really want to put this in your keys, it can be useful for you to design. By the way, it's sharp here, and it's not really that much sharp for me. But look at this sword, it's so cool. Just can't believe I have this. Now, always subscribe to my channel, by the way. Make sure you don't stab anyone with this, because it's very pointy, I guess, and not really that much sharp. But anyway, this is kind of sharper than this one. It's actually sharp there, and it's kind of cool that they added gems here. So yeah, if you really wanna order this in my country, it's actually available in your country, I guess. Even if you speak Espanol, it might be kind of weird for me to understand it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and overall macros. Goodbye.